begun to strengthen. So 164 strikes just within the storm in the past hour, and you can see it is still continuing to climb as the storm does make its way off towards the north and east. So some heavy rain with this. Tornado watch was issued earlier, does go into effect until, or is in effect until 4 o'clock this afternoon, so that will continue to be an issue. But right now, that is our only tornado warning in our area. Those severe thunderstorms all go all the way down into northern Dillon County right now, northern portions of Horry County as well. As we do put that in motion, you can see motion is generally off towards the east, northeast here, crossing I-95 here in Robeson County, the strongest part of the storm, but a lot of lightning, heavy rain stretching all the way down through portions of Dillon County, northern Horry County as well. So even down here, some damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour, definitely a possibility. Heads up Lakeview, you're about to get hit. Then as we go into portions of even southern Robeson and western Columbus counties, going to be dealing with some severe weather here shortly. A lot of lightning with this as well, as this does make its way off towards the north and east. A lot of wind with this, wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour can certainly bring down some trees. So even though not expecting any tornadoes with this thunderstorm right now, even wind gusts that high can cause some fairly significant damage, especially with any of those trees and tree limbs that were weakened by this past week's ice storm. So we want to take these storms seriously as these do continue to move off towards the north and east. So still seeing a little bit of rotation here. The greens meeting up with the orange and yellow colors, not quite as strong as it was just a few minutes ago, but still don't let your guard down as we're still seeing the storm make its way off towards the north and east. The worst part of this right now to the north and east of Pembroke. You're clear in Pembroke right now, but this is currently moving off towards the northeast here. Will cross I-95 here shortly, 55 miles an hour. So like I said, we want to get in your tornado safe place. That's the lowest level of your home, away from windows. We want to take precautions here as we do see this very strong storm, potentially with a tornado on it, moving off towards the north and east. And as Martha does put a storm tracker on it here, you can see it is moving towards the east here, St. Paul's, Cedar Creek, Vander, Roseboro, and Clinton. If you hear your name being called out right now, you definitely want to be taking shelter as the storm is moving quickly off towards the north and east. By 1:30 here, up towards Clinton, which is out of our area, but St. Paul's, Cedar Creek will be here within the next few minutes. Currently about 12:36, so Cedar Creek, St. Paul's, you have about 10 minutes here before the storm does move into your area, and still seeing a lot of lightning with this part of the storm, indicating that it is still fairly strong. Seeing a lot of that rotation with this as well. That is what prompted that tornado warning here for portions of northern Robeson County. But as we do zoom out here, like I've been talking about, this line of storms goes way down towards the south here into northern Horry County. Even seeing a line of storms developing now to central Horry County, down into Georgetown County. Those currently are not severe, but as we look towards the portions of the Georgetown and also stretching down through Conway, periods of heavy rain, some gusty winds with this as well, as this does push off towards the north and east. So the beaches, we'll see that first round of showers followed by this more intense line of thunderstorms back off towards the north. Worst of this right now, basically Dillon County off towards the north. This area under a tornado watch until 4 o'clock. Severe thunderstorm warnings stretch all the way from northern Horry County, from about Loris to the north and west. Tabor City definitely included in that. Same with portions of Dillon County here as the storm does continue to move pretty quickly off towards the east-northeast at about 55 miles an hour. So that tornado watch is in effect until 4 o'clock. But right now we're mainly focusing on these storms from Dillon County north. Dillon County could see potential for some damaging wind gusts, excess of 60 miles an hour. Even though not seeing any rotation with that, 60 miles an hour could definitely do some damage to any houses. You get any of those trees, especially ones that have been weakened by the ice storm this past week. So could be dealing with some down trees, some power lines in these areas as well. But right now, most intense storm here across northern portions of Robeson County. A lot of lightning towards Fairmont as well, but the main portion of rotation now moving off towards the north and east. A lot of lightning around this, a lot of heavy rain as well. Just about to cross I-95 to the north of St. Paul. Still seeing some of that rotation here as the storm does make its way off towards the north and east. Not quite as strong as we were seeing just a few minutes ago, but if you live along Highway 301, Interstate I-95 here between St. Paul's and Parkton, do get ready for this, seeing some rotation with that. Want to be in your tornado safe place right now, and you'll be in there before the next few minutes because we are seeing this storm move pretty quickly off towards the north and east, but want to get in a basement, interior room, get in a closet or bathroom inside the central part of your house, you're seeing the potential for this tornado moving by. But even without the tornado, seeing strong damaging winds possible with that, a lot of lightning, torrential downpours as well, right here along Highway 20 and portions of St. Paul's as well, moving up towards I-95. Martha, over on radar right now and on National Weather Service chat, she's got some more information for us.
Yeah, the latest report